Imagine your phone charger looked perfectly fine, but the plastic coating was chewed off. If MS attacks your myelin, that's your brain's wires losing insulation. Want to actually make sense of the random symptoms and why fatigue hits like a truck? Stick around. Today we are breaking down what actually happens to your myelin sheath. Whether you have MS, love someone with MS, or just Googled why your leg suddenly feels like dial-up internet. Life with MS is a journey. Read your signals, manage energy, and use tools for heat and fatigue. Build your team, doctors, therapists, family, and friends, and keep moving forward. Damage on a scan does not define your joy, love, or accomplishment. People adapt, find new paths, and live full lives. Hope isn't passive. It's a strategy built on knowledge, action, and support. You are not alone. There's a huge community sharing tips, encouragement, and understanding every day. It's damaged insulation, repaired by your body when it can, protected by early treatment and smart daily strategies. Ever tried to charge your phone with a chewed-up cord? Sometimes it works, sometimes it flickers, and sometimes you get nothing at all. The plastic coating around the wire keeps power flowing directly to your device, safe and sound. Without that protective layer, the electricity can leak out, get weak, or just stop completely. It's a frustrating and unpredictable situation. This simple, everyday problem is a surprisingly good way to start understanding a very complex condition inside our own bodies. What if the wires inside you started to fray? We are going to talk about multiple sclerosis, or MS, without big, scary medical words, using one idea: a frayed wire. Myelin is the name for the plastic coating around your nerves. MS is what happens when that coating gets damaged. We will look at what that means for your body, step by step. I promise to keep it clear and simple, so the big picture makes perfect sense by the end. The goal isn't to make you a doctor, just to give you a solid, useful way to think about MS. It helps turn a confusing jumble of symptoms into a story that has a beginning, a middle, and a hopeful path forward. Let's start this journey together. Have you ever felt like your own body wasn't quite listening to you? Maybe your hand felt clumsy or your vision went a bit blurry for no reason. These whispers are nerve messages getting interrupted. Your body is filled with nerves. Think of them as a massive network of electrical wires. These wires carry messages from your brain to every part of your body and back again. To move, to feel, to react, touch something hot. A signal zips up a nerve wire to your brain. Pull away. Myelin is the insulation. It keeps signals strong, prevents leaks, and massively speeds them up. Myelin is basically Wi-Fi for your nervous system. That speed and clarity make complex movements and thoughts possible. Without healthy myelin, messages get static, delayed, or dropped. Brain, command center, nerves, wiring, myelin, high-quality insulation that makes it seamless. It is smart at spotting invaders and usually knows self from other. When it finds a threat, it launches a swift, powerful attack. But in MS, it gets confused and starts seeing the healthy myelin sheath as an enemy. Tiny scissors, corrosive chemicals, swelling, they strip away myelin. The doctor word is demyelination. Think, mice chewing the plastic coating on wires behind your walls. The attack hits specific spots, creating patches of damage. The wire inside may be okay at first, but its coating is gone. Now signals slow, misfire, or stop completely. Brain, move leg. Leg, message unclear. Brain, balance. Body, interpretive dance. Brain, focus. Brain, loading. Loading. This explains symptoms like numbness, weakness, brain fog, vision problems, and coordination issues. Doctors say you have lesions. A lesion is a spot where myelin was damaged. Your body tried to repair it, but scar tissue formed. Imagine a tiny pothole in the brain's wiring system. Traffic slows, the ride gets rough, some cars stop completely. Lesions can form in the brain, spinal cord, or optic nerves. Symptoms depend on location. After inflammation calms, scars remain, like a patch pothole. Signals can pass, but not perfectly. 3 reasons symptoms fluctuate. 1. Swelling decreases, pressure eases, signals improve, traffic clears after the jam. 2. The brain reroutes signals, like GPS around a closed road. Effective, but detours can be scenic. 3. Heat and fatigue stress damaged nerves. A hot shower can turn legs into overcooked spaghetti. Good news, oligodendrocytes can rebuild insulation. That repair is called remyelination. It's like sending a road crew to patch the pothole on the information highway. New myelin may be thinner, but good enough to restore insulation so signals speed up and clarity returns. But the repair crew has limits. Repeated attacks make patches less effective. Severe damage can break the wire itself. That's why protecting nerves matters. Modern MS treatments aim to calm the immune system and reduce attacks. Living with MS means mastering daily variables. Heat can temporarily worsen symptoms, so people get savvy about staying cool. Simple tools help: cooling vests, neck wraps, and ice water, plus timing activity for cooler hours. MS fatigue isn't normal tired. Signals take more effort through damaged paths, and detours cost energy. Plan, pace, and conserve. Use spoon theory, break tasks into steps, and ask for help with the heavy stuff. Listening to your body is smart, not weak. There's strong consensus. Starting treatment early makes a big difference. Fewer potholes form. Disease-modifying therapies modulate or suppress the overactive immune response, reducing relapse frequency and severity. They buy the brain time, helping remyelination, preserving function for as long as possible. Medicine is one pillar. Build a support team: neurologist, PT, OT, mental health, plus family and friends, with open communication. Simple analogies like the frayed charger help others understand variable days, heat, and fatigue, so they can support you well. You are the captain, and your voice matters most. Bring it back to the charger. MS attacks the myelin sheath. Your brain's wiring insulation gets damaged. Signals struggle. Lesions are potholes on the information superhighway. Rough, unpredictable message journeys. But the brain adapts and reroutes. Your repair crew can lay down new myelin, restoring function. Modern treatments plus natural repair create a powerful defense that protects quality of life. Life with MS is a journey. Read your signals, manage energy, and use tools for heat and fatigue. Build your team: doctors, therapists, family, and friends, and keep moving forward. Damage on a scan does not define your joy, love, or accomplishment. People adapt, find new paths, and live full lives. Hope isn't passive. It's a strategy built on knowledge, action, and support. You are not alone. There's a huge community sharing tips, encouragement, and understanding every day. If this video helped you finally understand what myelin actually does, like, subscribe, and comment. What symptom first made you realize something weird was happening in your nervous system? Welcome to Team Neury. So if someone says MS attacks the myelin sheath, you now know what that actually means. It's damaged insulation, repaired by your body when it can, protected by early treatment and smart daily strategies. What is one small, kind thing you can do for your body today? Your brain's wires lost their insulation, but the system adapts, repairs, and is worth protecting. You've got this, and so do we. If this video helped you finally understand what myelin actually does, like, subscribe, and comment. What symptom first made you realize something weird was happening in your nervous system? Welcome to Team Neury. So if someone says MS attacks the myelin sheath, you now know what that actually means. It's damaged insulation, repaired by your body when it can, protected by early treatment and smart daily strategies. What is one small, kind thing you can do for your body today?